Hi again, and welcome to Bounty Hunters, an automated influencer and blogger marketing platform. So, in the previous video, I haven't explained in detail how to connect your YouTube account to the platform and why this is done. So, let me go into a little bit more detail. So, this is the view of the website, Bounty Hunters, from the eyes of the influencer or blogger. So if I want to participate in a marketing campaign, for example, for this company called Coinance, I just click on the view to see all the available tasks. So for me to see the particular tasks available, I scroll down and for example, I see that I can perform a YouTube subscribe task or a YouTube comment task. So this means I, as an influencer, would subscribe to the YouTube channel of this company, and bounty hunters will pick that information up and give me bonus points for that or rewards. I can also comment on the YouTube video, and that will also give me some rewards. So now let's look at the admin panel or the host panel where Coinance has to link up their YouTube channel. So this is how the host system works. It's host.bountyhunters.io. I'm in the campaign setup, and as you can see, I'm in Coinance. Now I go to my profile. So imagine I'm the manager of Coinance, or I'm the marketing guy who is taking care of the influencer marketing campaign. So for me to set this up, I need to go into my social profiles, choose YouTube, and now I have to connect my Coinance YouTube channel to the Bounty Hunters platform. So I click connect. I choose my YouTube account, my Google account. So it says choose account. Um, mm-hmm. Let's test one more time. So this is the message I'm currently getting. Let me try to do this one more time after I remove access to YouTube. So let's try one more time. So I go into the host system, Coinance, profile, social profiles, add channel YouTube, connect. Choose my account. Choose my account again. So at this point, it's still not working. So this app hasn't been verified by Google yet. Only proceed if you know and trust the developer. Let's proceed. Nice. Grant Bounty Hunters IO permission. See, edit, and permanently delete your YouTube videos, rating, comments, and captions. Allow. View private information of a YouTube channel. Okay. Allow. 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 And allow. So that's my final allow. And now my YouTube account should be connected to Bounty Hunters. I'm not sure what's going on and why it's freezing. So let's check the host system and see if my YouTube account has been attached to my profile.